Hello everyone, good morning. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fung. I'm from 11 Accounting 2. Today I will show you how to make a noodle. The ingredients are noodle, water, and the tools are spoon, fork, pan, and plate. So these are the steps for making a noodle. First, keep the pan on the stove and pour the water and open the noodle baking. Boil the noodles in boiling water while stirring. While the noodles are boiled, prepare the spice and seasoning oil into the plate. And stir the noodle. Turn off the stove if the noodle is ripe. Drain the noodles. Mix the noodle with the seasoning on a plate. Stir until evenly distributed. And delicious fried noodles is ready to be served. And the noodles finished. Thank you for your attention.